Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 1000 plus PSD banner for latest version of Photoshop, but these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, and buy now for lifetime all password in this app and daily update when I provide new video or new data on my website. And here is my Facebook page Sheri SK. Follow this. I will provide same video here like my YouTube channel, and last is my Telegram channel Sheri SK official. Subscribe this. I will provide every video of first here, YouTube link here, okay, or any notification here like this one, okay. So subscribe this. I know you know how to edit this. Just I preview you what the type of files of design, like a sales offer or any other file. Okay, you see here 1010 atom in PSD. For example, open this one. Basically we need a shoes, but I provide anything. Here is a shape, you see, same thing. You you can edit everything. Here is main color, depend your own choice, you can do anything, okay. And you see in layer area, shop now, you can import any image, okay. Wow, so we need a simple images. Change text, change your logo, shopping, adjust, okay, and replace image, extract. Now we need image. For example, open this one and open this, drag here, depend your own choice, you can make more better, okay. I tell you just for example now, and order today and get 10% off, okay. Change anything, oh sorry, here is a background. That's mean you can do anything, okay. All files are fully editable. Password in this app. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number, okay. Take care, Allah Hafiz.